So when you go Google Strata Hub, you'll see here, ordering document, right? You click start here. And then it'll ask you, step 1, choose how you like to pay for it. Just choose credit card. And then it'll say go to Epic. It'll go to another website. Then you choose services and Strata Hub. So you see, you can also order tax certificate and title search on this website. But this website charges you more for title search. So you still go to the land title search website directly to order. It'll be cheaper. This website will charge you more expensive, okay? So you go to that, Strata Hub, and order documents. And then you say here, purchase document. And then click on place a new order. Now, for the portfolio, you can just say ABC or the address, whatever. And then you go back to a listing that you're trying to do. So you have to find out 2 information. One information is called the strata number, strata plan number. So let's say find a property in Richmond, like an apartment. So after you go to the listing, you have to find out from their tax report, or you can just go to BC assessment, find out that information. Go to tax, and you will see here, it'll be this part here, plan number, okay? Sometimes it's EPS, sometimes it's different words, letters. So you have to find out here. And also the lot number. The lot number is similar to your unit number, but is in a different form, okay? So you need these 2 information here. So now you just copy everything, go to strata plan, and type in the lot number 2, lot number 42. So you just type in that. So after that, you see here your row, you say real estate agent. And later on, when you order strata document, you have to have a digital copy, scanned copy of your listing agreement. You have to prove by uploading the listing agreement, so they will give you what you order. So if you don't provide that, they won't give it to you, okay? And then after that, you go next. Now you'll say, this property manager has policy where unclaimed order may be charged automatically. So if you order and you don't pay for it, they will still charge you. So you have to pay for it after you order. And then over here, red star, save your address. So you enter the actual address of this property, okay? You put it there. And then you will have to order Form B, depreciation report, bylaw, engineer report, financials, annual meeting, strata meeting, special general meeting, and also strata plan. Here I cannot select strata plan. Sometimes you have to get a strata plan from either title search. Title search, you also can order strata plan. If not, you can also call the company, management company directly to get a strata plan. Because on the strata plan, it'll say what is the exact square footage of your property registered in the city. Okay, so you need a strata plan. Oh, it says here, another strata plan, so I can click on this one. So after that, you see on the right here, it doesn't say anything yet. Everything's 0, right? So when you order strata document, then you have to choose by year, okay? Because every time when people write a subject, they will ask for the last 2 years strata documents. So you have to order 2 years of strata document for the buyer to review. So you pick the dates. After you pick the dates, then you go down here and choose the date you want. If you want to do a same day, see how much it'll cost. So I want it today, same day, priority fee. This one only charges you $125, which is pretty cheap. Yeah, because I've seen same day for $300 extra. Every company is different. 125 is pretty cheap actually. And document fee, Form B, $35. Everybody's the same. Other document fee, $325. Strata Hub service, $16.50. So that's how much they charge you for the document. And plus, you see up here, it'll say 25 cents per page for the other stuff. You see 25 cents per page for other stuff. It'll become page by page. If they have a lot of document, if you don't have this same day service, it'll still cost you maybe around $200 up and down. $200 for a set of strata document. If you are rush, like for example, in a low market, normally we don't order this kind of stuff until we have an offer, right? An offer, you have to get it to them in a week or so. So you can check the fee, reduce the fee. You don't want to pay too much, right? You can try this, like if I do next day, how much it'll cost me? It'll be the same, 125, right? If I do one more day, it's $100, so you just save $25 there. And if you want to do it next month, give it more time. Next Friday, see, it'll become 0. So you want to do faster, so you check one more day up. How much? Still 0. Okay, I can go furthermore. 5 days, 0. Okay, the company is pretty fair. Okay, so if you want to do it October 1st, then you just pay $50. So this company is actually really reasonable, because the strata document I just ordered, 7 business days. 7 business days and more, they won't charge you. Anything within 7 business days, they will charge you a fee. So this company is actually pretty good. So that's how you do it. And reason for order, listing agreement, right? After that, you have to fill in the owner's information. They want to make sure that you know the owner. So you have to fill in the owner's first name, last name, owner's address. And if you don't see a red star here, you don't have to fill in. Just fill in the must fill. And then afterwards, on the bottom, it'll say my contact information. Fill in that, and then you click next. After click next, and it'll ask you to pay. So when they are ready, they will send you an email. And after you receive this email, you have to come back to this website to complete the payment. At this moment, you don't really pay for it. It's like a pre-authorized. So after you come back, then it'll ask you to pay for it. So you will have a link, and you go to manage my existing files. And then you see one I have here is in process. This one, in process, right? So this one is not completed yet. Once it's completed, it'll say complete. After it's complete, you go to detail, and then it'll say complete payment on the top. So you click that complete payment to get your document, and then they'll send you another link to download all the documents. So you go back to here and you manage it. Like for me, the folio number, I just make something up. It doesn't matter, not important. So you see this one rejected. This one actually I put in the wrong strata plan, because this one, they used to be managed by a company, but they changed to a different company. So you have to find out who are managing this building right now. Like if you find out from before, like old listings, the managed company, they may be different now. So you have to find out who are the current management company. And some management company, they did not register on this website, so they do not have this service. Then you have to find out who they are and go to their website directly to make an order. Sometimes you have to download their form and fill in the form and email to them or fax to them, or just call them and find out how can I order strata document.